High winds, heavy rain, and tornadoes spawned from Hurricane Dorian making its way up the southeast coast yesterday. You're looking at video from Emerald Isle, North Carolina, and look at that. The storm's outer band spawned water spouts, it became a tornado, and then it wiped out this RV park. There are piles of debris left behind, but thankfully, in all that, nobody got hurt.
Man.
Wow.
All right, let's go out live now to Nikki-Dee. She is in Deltaville, and you can really start to get a good picture with the sun coming up.
You truly can. I mean, it was so dark when we got out here earlier, but we were able to kind of survey the land and see what all was going on. And this pier right behind me, there were some boards missing. And I talked to my friends, and you try and take up every few of those boards. So when all that water hits it, the pier doesn't wash away. Well, we're already seeing some impacts from all the water pushing up to the pier. So we're keeping a very close eye on that. And that's what you expect when you're dealing with these type winds. We also have quite a bit of rain moving into the region as forecasted. The highest winds and rain are down to our south and east, and we're going to continue to see that trickling in throughout the day. Wind gusts are coming in the 30s and even 40s down to our south and east. Where I'm located, we're getting wind gusts around 32 to 36 miles an hour, and even some inland. Now, I'm standing out in the middle of it. My friends aren't in the middle of the wind. It's actually a little bit calmer, but you can tell they're a little bit cool hanging out. They've been so sweet and accommodating. So thankful to have our friends out here in Deltaville. They served breakfast. We've had a great time, but it's been really cool to trade stories as far as hurricanes are concerned. They've been out here through Isabel, and they were telling us how this water rushed its way up. Rocks were scattered all about in the yard. And this storm, of course, they weren't as worried about, but they were concerned for power outages and, of course, tree limbs falling, which we've had a few scattered about. But it is windy, and this wind will continue over the next several days. We'll have more details coming up. Guys, not several days, hours.
All right, yeah, hours. All right, thanks, Nikki-Dee.
Preparations for Dorian also underway in Virginia Beach.
Yeah, some